This is my first time on TV.
This flip showcases how a small front yard can have a big impact.
At 8 hours, you're not going to recognize it.
Fueling our flip is over 30 community volunteers. We fix an unsafe walkway.
One time I fell, and I was there for about 15 minutes.
We're flush with the porch and the driveway, so it's one level surface.
We show you a trick for diverting water into a rain barrel.
Too much talking, more working. There you go. Now it's working. We're soaked.
Then it's Invasive Plants 101.
So this is the wrong plant, wrong place.
Absolutely.
We go high tech with irrigation.
We have it connected to a Bluetooth controller.
Time to control it.
Then a how-to for managing invasive reptiles.
A biologist will coordinate what we call a rapid response.
And of course, the big reveal.
There's so much to enjoy, so I'll probably cry for a couple of weeks.
All this and more on Flip My Florida Yard.